When the Razer phone was announced, its 8GB of RAM to power Android alone seemed like overkill, but maybe not. I'm Derek with Mobile Nations at CES 2018, and this is our first look at Razer's latest prototype, Project Linda. Project Linda is the merging of two of Razer's focuses, the Razer phone and their Blade laptops. It's also the latest and best version of an idea we've long loved and long been disappointed by, the phone that turns into your laptop. Numerous other companies have tried and failed. Project Linda, on the other hand, is the smartest take on the dockable phone we've ever seen. In essence, this is a Razer Blade Stealth laptop, but they've pulled out all the PC internals and the trackpad and left a slot to drop the phone into. It slots in clean and flush with a USB-C plug that inserts mechanically at the push of a button. Once hooked up, the phone acts as a trackpad or a secondary display, with a high-resolution 13-inch panel up top taking charge. The keyboard offers full chroma lighting support, while the Razer phone's excellent speakers continue to point up and out. Razer has even thoughtfully carved out a slot along the front edge for the phone's side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Now, this is just a prototype that we checked out, and there's a lot of work to do if Razer were to bring this to the market. We were told that the ideal production version of this would include a touchscreen and display out ports. That Snapdragon 835 plus 8GB of RAM is a powerful combo. The harder part, however, is the software. Android just doesn't support this sort of dual display use out of the box. Razer likes to show off prototypes like this to gauge interest and garner feedback before committing to production. It's still unknown when, or even if, Project Linda will see production and how much it might cost. But we do know one thing. It's the best take yet on the idea of a phone that can be your laptop. I'm Derek with Mobile Nations, and we'll have plenty more from CES 2018, so go ahead and subscribe for the latest, and thanks for watching.